So you may be thinking, well, fine, the cloud is amazing. I enjoy software as a service and infrastructure as a service. Where can I access the cloud? Let's pretend, for example, that I now run a small firm. I have a lot of data and a few servers. How do I upload that to the cloud? Well, some businesses will have greenfield deployments. For instance, that implies that you simply begin again. So, great job if you can pull that off. If you are going to create a new application, create it on the cloud from scratch. Alternatively, similar to the small businesses we are discussing here, you will need to perform some sort of migration, which will be far more typical than these so-called greenfield deployments. Now, you need to first consider the cost associated with using the cloud before you undertake the transfer. You can use calculators provided by Amazon EC2 and other cloud services providers to see how much it will cost you to use and move to the cloud. Therefore, before you totally jump into the cloud, I strongly advise you to use one of those calculators to help you make that estimation. You want to know how much it will cost you. What is it that you require from the cloud in terms of security, availability, and performance, and what's that going to cost you? Considered migration as compared to rebuilding. Would you prefer to just move your data or rebuild your application on the cloud, or would you prefer to start over with new operating system and application? Considered you should be given to enterprise grade functionality, you might be expected to receive complete data protection, firewalls, antivirus software, disaster recovery, replication, and high availability in your data center. Things you have paid for and put in place over the years. But in the cloud, you can't assume that any of that will just happen automatically. It is and is not all the time. Make sure the cloud service you choose offers the enterprise grade capabilities your business requires. Don't assume anything. And what about tools? Last but not least, what available resources can you use to help you with this migration? There are several technologies available that can convert virtual computers' duplicate data in real time to the cloud and then turn on a switch so that your traffic is virtually redirected to the cloud. There are a variety of solutions available to you to make the transfer process simpler and minimize or eliminate any downtime that may be involved. Check out the tools that are available from a variety of third parties in addition to your cloud provider, as they are now making cloud migrations much simpler than they ever were. Let's wrap up with the summary of this module in the next video. If you like this video, please do share, like, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.